To know the definitions of this, what is electric circuit? So it is the path through which electric current flows. Electric circuit is the path, is a way through which the electric current flows. Okay. Now, the second important point, for a electric circuit, see, there are various components of electric circuit. These are battery, wire. The wire must be conducting, bulb, key or switch. Okay, so these are electrical components. So what are electrical components? Electrical components are battery, switch, wire, bulb, etc. See, everyone has their own importance. Battery is used to generate the net current in basic things. What actually battery does? Battery converts chemical energy into electrical energy. Now you will see a circuit. In this circuit you can see that there is a bulb, there is a battery, there is a wire, red color wire, through which the current will flow. This is a simple electrical circuit. Now this circuit I will draw over here just little bit different. Look out. This is the bulb. Now this term is negative, positive, negative, positive. What is battery? If someone asks you what is battery, battery is a combination of cells. Battery क्या है? Battery is the combination of cells. Now this particular thing over here, it is known as key or switch. This is battery. Now you can clearly see that this circuit is not complete. Why? Because this key is not closed, this key is open. If I have to close this key, I will just draw it like this arrow. Now it means that the key is closed, therefore the circuit is complete and the current will flow. Now this is the wire. The wire must be conducting, otherwise the current will not flow through it. This is the electric bulb. Now listen to me carefully. What actually happens in an electric circuit? See, wire is made up of some metal. It may be copper, it may be silver. Every metal has some electrons in their outermost cells. When energy is provided to these electrons start accelerating or they start moving. So in this circuit, if suppose that the bulb is, after closing the key, the bulb is glowing, it means that some current is flowing through this circuit. What is current? You will study in the next lecture that current is the flow of charge. That means charges are flowing over here. What type of charges? These charges are electrons. Now there must be some source, there must be something that is moving these charges, that is helping these charges to move. That thing is the battery. What battery does? Battery have some chemicals stored in it. These chemicals produce chemical energy. Okay, this chemical energy is then converted into electrical energy. That is, the energy flown in this circuit due to current is the electrical energy. When this bulb lights up, when this bulb glows, the energy producing over here is light energy. Now, where this light energy comes from? This light energy comes from the electrical energy, because we know that energy can only be transferred from one form to another. Therefore, first the chemical energy gets converted into electrical energy, then the electrical energy gets converted into light energy as well as and heat energy. You have seen that on touching the bulb, after some time it gets heated. So what actually, how does this heat comes? This heat actually, this bulb has some resistance. Heat is always produced by resistance. If some current is flowing in a circuit, we will deal with this in the heating effect of current. For now, you always remember that in an electric circuit is the path through which electric current flows. There are various electrical components known as battery, switch, wire, bulb, etc. These electrical components helps us in making an electric circuit. What are these electric components? This is battery. What battery does? Battery converts the electrical energy into battery converts the chemical energy into electrical energy. This is a wire. The wire must be conducting, otherwise the current will not flow. This is a bulb. Bulb is a source of light for us. If the bulb is glowing, it means there is some current flowing through it. So when the bulb glows, light energy as well as heat energy are produced. From where does these two energy comes? These two energy comes from the electrical energy only. Therefore, in this particular electric circuit, energy is transformed from one form to another. How many forms are there? See, chemical energy, electrical energy, light energy, and the heat energy. This is the basics of electric circuit. If it is ever asked in your exams, it will mainly ask about the definitions. There are two main electric components also. These are ammeter and voltmeter. So we will discuss these two instruments in further lectures which we will be studying.